welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Hannah and I'm still figuring out my lighting and everything, so forgive me for that. But if you want to be subscribed, go ahead and do so and click the notification button if you want to be notified whenever I upload new videos. So in this video today, I will be showing, or I will be reviewing the product Snail Truecica. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly. This is Miracle Repair Serum. This is from SomeByMi. They actually sent me this product to try out and review. Of course, all of the opinions in this video will be my own honest review. First things first, it came in this box. It's holographic and it's super shiny, and it's really cute and sleek packaging and all that. So this is the packaging itself. It looks really nice. This actually has a cap, but I took it off because I know I will misplace it, and yes, I did misplace it. So it looks like this. You can see that I've actually used it up already. I used it for like maybe a good 5 to 7 days or so. I'll show you the texture of it, so let me just squeeze. Sorry again, the lighting is pretty great right now. So that's how much a pump is, and as you can see, it is very liquidy, but it absorbs into the skin really fast. So that's kind of what I like about it. The skin absorbs it really fast, and it's actually not sticky. Once you think about like slugs and snails and what they leave behind, their slime, it's gooey and ooey. It kind of feels like it's going to be very sticky, but this actually isn't. It just feels like water. Right now, it's no longer there. It's very moisturizing. Should I pour it all over my body? Shut up. So before we proceed, I just wanted to let you know a little bit of background on my skin in case you didn't know already. I have oily skin, although for the past couple of months, I managed to tame it down a little bit. So instead of being very greasy by hour 3 or hour 4, right now it's hour maybe 5 or 6. Not that much of a big deal, but to me it is already a big deal. I tend to break out when I stress, when my PMS comes, when I lack sleep, which maybe is because of the stress as well. So my breakouts come in weird form. It's not really pimples, but like itches. It looks like allergies, but it's not allergies. And when I break out in pimple form, it's usually when my period is coming. Aside from that, my problem areas would be my pores. I do have large pores over here. That's genetic, so I don't know how to beat that system over there. And I also have a weird darker forehead. I think most people have that, and mine is just significantly darker, or it's just something I noticed because we are our own worst critics. Naturally, my skin doesn't heal fast. I'm not sure if that makes any sense, but it's like with my mom and my sister, when we get like a mosquito bite or an ant bite, that is gonna leave the scar for 1,000 years. So that's really annoying, but it's something that I have to deal with. So again, this is the SomeByMi Snail Truecica Miracle Repair Serum. So this claims to get the repair system that the snails have, where they kind of regenerate their cells. This claims to smooth out the skin, exfoliate, and also gives a soothing effect. And it also claims to recover the skin, repair the skin, heal the skin. It also says to have whitening and anti-aging properties. Of course, I can't test that out in just 5 to 7 days. So this is actually designed or recommended to be used as a recovery care. So like recovery serum, meaning you're going to use it, or it's best used after you get some breakouts, some acne, any skin condition that pops up, because it's going to help recover the skin. So it's not really a treatment, more so bringing back the skin back to life. Bring me back to life in shoot. It is said to be compatible in use before your makeup or before you sleep. So any of those two is fine, or both is fine, whichever you feel most comfortable with. So this actually feels very moisturizing. So if you have dry skin, this would be perfect for you. You can layer it all over your face, and if you have oily skin, it's best to just put it on certain spots where you actually have that condition or where you want to kind of target it. For me though, I layered it all over my skin, but I didn't do like double layers or triple layers. I just did a thin layer on my skin because I do want to go to bed not feeling sticky or wet. Again, it's not sticky, but it's just my personal preference that I want it to be completely dry as fast because I'm just lazy. I don't have the patience to wait. So again, this does dry down, your skin absorbs it, and your pillowcases will be saved. So no worries when using it as like an overnight treatment. Capture my skin condition before and after. So it's actually PMS season for me, so I'm pretty sure I showed you a video of my skin before I put on my makeup today. So it showed some breakouts here and here, but it's not due to the product, it's really just my skin. It's my hormones because again, PMS, my period's coming next week. Generally, it is very moisturizing. I can't really tell for now if it lightens scars and you know, the anti-aging properties because I've only used it for a couple of days. I will however continue to use it because it doesn't seem like it's affecting my skin negatively, so I want to go ahead and use it. I do love to feel moisturized whenever I wake up. I use this before sleeping, by the way. I don't use it before makeup, so it's a nighttime skincare routine for me. I like to feel that my face is again moisturized. It doesn't leave my face greasy when I wake up, so I do love it as a serum for my nighttime skincare routine. So I will be linking the website for SomeByMi below, so if you want to take a look at the product or other products that they have, you can browse on over there. Again, if you have any suggestions or any recommendations for anything for me to try out, especially skincare, I would always be game, so comment below if you have those recommendations for me. Also, if you have any questions in regards to my experience with this product, again, do let me know. I will be happy to answer your questions. As of right now, I have not experienced any breakouts or any, again, negative effects on this one. So again, I will be continuing to use this over time, so hopefully it will be able to repair my skin because it does aim to repair scarring. So that's what I'm hoping for. You help me, okay? So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. One like those you bananas, make banana pies, and I hope you keep staying true. Bye!